vegetation fires on the Central Coast today. In Santa Cruz, crews had to knock down a series of small grass fires at 10 this morning. Houses at Redwood Estates in the Santa Cruz Mountains were threatened by a wildfire there. There were a number of other vegetation fires up and down Highway 17. Nobody was hurt. Meantime, a fire in Gilroy broke out at Eagle Ridge Golf Club just after noon. A golf course employee reported the fire behind the 9th hole. About 50 firefighters from CAL FIRE and Gilroy Fire helped contain it. Helicopters and air tankers dropped Phoschock, the fire retardant, and also kept the blaze to 8 acres.
All of these small fires happening at the same time that CAL FIRE crews are training at the Ben Lomond camp in the Santa Cruz Mountains. Dozens of firefighters with the San Mateo Santa Cruz unit continue to prepare for the fires ahead. 15 of those participating in the exercises are new recruits. Today they are gearing training specifically for fires fueled by drought conditions.
Every year we do our different skills that we have to assess, which are hose lay, mobile attack, 24-foot extension ladder, self-contained breathing apparatus, mobile pumping.
CAL FIRE crews are using less water during training exercises. However, they still need to use it during these live sessions.